SOP1. Okay, SOP1 is the demographic profile of your respondents, no? According to sex, year level, and socioeconomic status. So, N there, kung tanaw na ninyo, ang table N stands for the number of respondents that belong to that specific um, profile. For example, ang male, natay 124 kabuok out of 200. And then, kanang percentage din ha, 62, that means the equivalent percentage. So, 62% out of 100% is mga lalaki. Okay? So, ano na ninyo pag-state.
Okay, sir.
And then, SOP2, ang SOP2 natin, Mr. Dataya, kita ko atong sa inyong paper, katong Likert scale, god, katong na low, very low, moderate, high, very high.
Apo, sir.
Sa bato ninyo, please, sa bato ninyo, kani ang i-follow nga Likert scale, kanang 1.00 to 1.80, ha?
Okay, sir. Sige po.
Sa bato ha?
Okay po, sir.
Paper, kani ang i-follow, kani ang ibutang dito. Likert scale, ang muli 1.00 tapos 2 point something, no? Taas kayo ang age.
Sige po, sir.
So, kana ang gamita. So, ang SOP2 nato, this is the level of students-directed learning. Then, ang inyong mga indicators, you have 9 indicators, no? ST stands for standard deviation. And then, ang M din ha stands for the mean. Ang atong interpretation is mag-base sa value sa atong mean, and ang atong basis will be the Likert scale. So, tanaw na to ang value sa atong M. For example, sa attitude towards learning, 3.91. So, asa na bilong ang 3.91 nga mean sa atong Likert scale? So, tanaw na to na dito. That is, naa siya sa high. Okay? So, in other words, ang attitude towards learning, of your respondents is high. Wala siya interpretation sa taas, no? Because of the mean na 3.91. So, sa inyong paper, ana, you have to state the standard deviation na value, you have to state the mean na value, and then unsa ang pasabot sa mean na value, unsa iyahang interpretation. Okay?
Okay, sir. Noted po.
Okay. So, mana ang SOP2. And then, ang overall, kanang last din ha nga row, overall, that is the overall result for the students' directed learning, considering all the indicators that you have. So, same thing, ang M is 3.80 and that belongs to the interpretation na high. Okay, so let's have SOP3. Okay, ang SOP3 naman, this is actually your academic performance, no?
Yes, in grades.
This is comparative actually, di ba? Yung second SEM na 2019-2020 at saka yung first SEM na 2020-2021, tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, M, still the standard deviation in our M. You have there 2.1, no? And 1.9. So, pag 2.1, that is actually 989. So, 89 ang general average ng mga respondents ninyo noong second SEM ng 2019-2020. And then, ang mean po, ang general average ng first SEM is 91. Kasi 1.9 yan, di ba?
Apo,
91.
Sir.
Okay. So, yan. So, mauna siya ang basis. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Mauna ang sagrado. Okay. Now, let's proceed to SOP4. Sa SOP4 ninyo is you actually want to determine if naabay significant difference ang learning, ang self-directed learning as indicated or grouped according to the according to tawag niyan, demographic profile. So, tanawa ha, sabta ang table. The parameters, of course, we have the parameters. Sa first column, mauna ang inyong mga specific indicators sa inyong self-directed learning. And then the other parameters na to i-consider diri asa kanang sex, socioeconomic status, and year level. Okay. So chi-square and the chi-square or the p-value. In other words, atong gigamit aniha is chi-square test. Okay? Ang chi-square or the p-value is uh, chi-square or the p-value is mao na ang mag-indicate kung naabay significant difference. How to do it or how to know na naa siya significant difference. If the p-value is less than 0.05, then naa siya significant difference. Pero kung greater than 0.05 or less or greater than 0.05 or equal to 0.05, wala siya significant difference. Okay, again ha, if less than 0.05, naa siya significant difference. Kung greater than or equal to 0.05, wala siya significant difference. Okay, tanawan na to. Halimbawa, sa attitude towards learning, naabay difference ang attitude towards learning if i-consider nato ang male o ang female. So the answer is 0.46. Therefore, dili magmatter kung male ba or female ang 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 attitude nila towards learning. Nakuha?
Okay, okay, sir.
Hmm. Anyway, makita na ninyo din na, no? Sa sex is ang evaluation of learning success lang kasi the result is 0.03. That's less than 0.05. Kana lang ang naay significant na difference for the sex. Sa socio-economic, halos tanan actually na ay significant relationship except for what?
Ability to plan learning,
And
pati evaluation of learning success.
yes. And then sa year level, unsa ang wala, unsa ang dili significant.
Apply learning strategies and assessment of learning process, sir.
Apply learning strategies, apply. So man to. Okay? And then assessment na pa.
Assessment of learning process.
Oo. Og learning responsibility kasi that's 0.08 eh.
Ay,
That's
okay, okay.
greater than 0.05.
Okay, sir.
Meron pa, ability to use learning opportunities kasi that's 0.07. And motivation and self-confidence kasi that is equal to 0.05. Pag equal to 0.05, wala yang significant difference. Ha?
Okay,
Take
okay,
note of
sir.
that.
Okay, sir.
Okay na tayo dyan sa SOP 4. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
let's proceed to SOP 5. Tanaw na to, makompare na nato karon kung asa ba ma-apply ang or asa ba nai-effect ang self-directed learning, no? Sa ato ang SOP 6. Naaba siya sa katong second sem or sa first sem na, na academic performance. Maklaro ninyo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sige. Baka na. Yeah. Ang importante dire ang importante dire nga result na tan-awon ninyo is kanang p-value, no? The p-value kasi will tell you if there is significant or the relationship is significant or not. So, as you can see people, sa second semester, no, ang not significant ang results kasi nga that is less than 0.05 ang p-value. Meaning to say, during the second semester, ang second semester of 2019-2021, dili magdepende or wala nagdepende ang inyuhang academic performance sa mga self-directed learning self-directed learning. However, on the first semester of 2020-2021, there are no there are tawag niyan learning self-directed learning that affects or naa siya association sa inyong academic performance. What are those? ang learning responsibility, ability to plan learning, ability to use learning, and then so on and so forth. Nakalagay naman dyan yung mga significant. Um, the most important thing also is we are going to look at the overall result every semester. Yung sa second sem, talagang walang significance. No? Dili significant ang association between the learning, between the self-directed learning and the, tawag niyan, academic performance. However, sa first semester ng 2020 and the 2021, ang atong overall result is 0.00156. So that means there is really a significant relationship between the self-directed learning and your academic performance. Yun.
Okay, okay.
So, na-compare na to. There's a comparison talaga na uh, I don't know what ngano kaya nganong sa second nganong katong second sem ng 2019-2021. Is that the time nga nag-start ang pandemic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wala
Na
di ba?
naka-add sa...
Kinakuratan ng mga tao, no? Mga
Mm.
estudyante.
Opo.
And they are not yet ready. Kasi, of course, online tayo eh. And other students don't have maybe, no? Kung makapakita mo RRL ngayon, nana, other students uh, don't have the technology yet, 'di ba? Adjustment when it comes to uh, interactions to the teachers, pag-submit ng mga requirements kasi nga online through online. And it could be also na the teaching strategies of the teachers affects the the academic performance kasi nga nag-a-adjust din kami. But on the first semester ng 2020-2021, baka naka-adjust na yung mga tao, 'di ba?
Yes, sir. Yes,
On
sir.
yun. So pwede natin yung
Mm.
gawin na mga if pero support yan support RRL yan.
RL. Okay, okay, sir.
Makahanap kayo. Okay, so do you have any questions pa ba?
Pwede pa balik sa sir, sa SOP4 po.
SOP4. Okay, kana
SOP4.
SOP4. Ang SOP4 nato kasi you're looking for the difference of self-directed learning strategies of radiologic technology students, no? When grouped according to their demographic profile. Tanaw nato kung naabay difference. Halimbawa, ang self-directed learning strategy pa sa babae is different sa self-directed learning strategy sa mga lalaki. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Kananaon. But as you can see, sa sex, of course, using these indicators. So, of course, makita nato na sa sa evaluation of learning success lang sila may significant difference.
Question, sir. Dito sa...
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba first paragraph man yan sa pag-analyze dito is i-describe mo na yung values, sir. Then sa last paragraph is doon na yung parang analysis, sir, kung bakit ganun yung mga values.
Yes.
Bale, ang ilalagay lang po namin na description yung sa mga lang, sir, sa may mga significant difference lang.
Hindi. Ilagay mo talaga lahat
As
yan.
in,
Pero, pwede mong isahin. Halimbawa pa,
sige, sir.
attitude towards learning, learning responsibility, and hangtod assessment of learning process when grouped according to sex. They don't have significant difference.
Okay, tama, sir. Isa-isa yun.
Yung
Okay.
mga yes. Yung the same good of interpretation,
Mm-mm.
isahin mo pag-explain yun.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yun.
Sige, sir. Yun lang po. Question.
Okay. How about the others? Wala na? Sige.
Okay na, sir.
Yes, wala na?
Okay na, sir.
Okay. Sige, kung wala na, tuloy-tuloy na to sa jackpot round. Good luck sa inyong final defense.
Sige, sige, sir. Salamat, sir.
Yes.
Salamat kayo, sir.
Okay.